Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Craig Jabert, marbling for fun. We're going to be marbling a beautiful silk tie this time. Same setup as before we did the sashing. So this is the same tray we're using, a long tray using from guttering, which has just been patched in with some duct tapes with a hole drilled through so we can punch that later on and allow the water to run out and reuse the same liquid. So we're going to put in some good old beautiful violet, which is one of my favorite colors. We're going to cover the area. The more color you use, the more vibrant the colors become. As they open up, they create their own space, so they don't mix at all. These paints are designed to be simple to use. They simply avoid each other, as you can see, creating these beautiful colors wherever you wish to put them. So the first one is violet. That's a metallic fuchsia, and we're having a metallic ice blue, which is a beautiful color as well. These will glitter when they are dry. Now the paints we use are formulated, which means they are permanent prints onto any fiber or textured surface. So they are permanent prints for fabrics, for wood, for leather, for paper, for any surface that is porous. Now we're going to put again some violets, so we're creating contrast as we move across the colors. That's all we're doing. Just a drop at a time in one specific place. Only thing to remember is never squirt the paint out, it'll just sink because of the force it comes out in. So we're going to wait for that to settle. So the tie is going to be a traditional marbling technique using the good old rake. This is a bit of wood and a couple of nails in at equidistant parts, and we're going to create what we call a nonpareil pattern. The way to do that is we want lines first. So what we're going to do is we're going to literally use this rake and we are going to draw a line down across the colors and then back up again. So that's what we call chevron, so zigzagging through the colors. If you would like to do that individually, then you can just use a cocktail stick, which I have one here. So you can do this manually, so if you want to go up and down, you can do the same thing. Now all we're going to use is a basic Afro comb, which is your Afro comb. Each second tooth has been yanked out, so that is a wider area. And we're going to literally go all the way up the tray, creating a nonpareil pattern. There you have it. It's a nonpareil pattern. Now the basic tie is silk. Okay, it's been allumed, which is a mordant preparation for materials, and that's been done the night before and it's dry. Once it's dry, we're going to simply put the tie in. Now, because it's windy outside, it's probably best to get someone to help you, but if you're by yourself, just pinch the inside of the fabric so you're not getting your fingers on the front, and roll the area in. I'm not sure which direction I'm going to go. It's probably this direction. Yeah, I think so. So we're going to simply put the front end first and layer it down in more or less one go. We're going to wait for it to absorb right up to the edges. Because this is just silk, so it needs to absorb the whole. Now we're going to take it off Whoa, the wind is taking it away. And now you have a beautiful silk tie, which is a one-off beauty. We put them over there. And you can see the detail. It is tremendous detail for a simple process to get a beautiful tie, which is completely unique.